Hey, have you heard about SIPOC diagrams?
Yes, I have. It's a tool that helps us understand the scope of a process.
Exactly. It stands for suppliers, inputs, processes, outputs, and customers. It's a diagram that gives us a better understanding of the process.
So, it helps us decide upon the starting and ending point for the process that we will analyze, right?
Yes, and it also helps us understand inputs and outputs, who supplies the inputs, who receives and uses the outputs. All of this is useful information for any improvement project.
That sounds useful. How do we create a SIPOC diagram?
We can use a simple spreadsheet with a column for each letter. We recommend beginning with the process steps and listing them in time order from top to bottom under process. Alternatively, we might create a simple flowchart in this column. Then we ask, what are the inputs to this process?
Inputs would include anything that is used in the process but not created during the process, right?
Exactly. We will list the inputs in the appropriate column. Then we ask, who supplies the inputs? This could be internal departments or even external suppliers. Fill this in the supplier column. Next, we look for outputs. Outputs are things that come out of the process to be used by the customers to the process. We list the outputs. Finally, we list the customers, who are the users or receivers of the outputs.
I see how this could be helpful in process improvement projects. What are some other uses of SIPOC diagrams?
Creating a SIPOC diagram is very helpful prior to beginning a current state value stream map. We want to understand the scope of the map and the suppliers and customers before beginning the VSM itself. SIPOC diagrams are also used for general problem solving. We need to understand what parts of our process are in scope for the problem solving, and the SIPOC helps us to refine that.
That's great to know. Thanks for explaining SIPOC diagrams to me.
No problem. If you have an interest in learning more about SIPOC diagrams, value stream maps, and even general process mapping, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.